going to start off with 360 grams of rolled oats. To that I'm going to add 120 millilitres of olive oil. Okay, you can use coconut oil if you want to make it a bit healthier. Just warm that up gently just to get it all nice and runny. Okay, so you want about 150 grams of nuts. I've got Brazil nuts here, pecans, handful of each. I'm going to chop these up a bit smaller, and I'm going to add a few flaked almonds, but I'm not going to add them in yet because they'll burn. Okay, so I've got all different sizes there. I haven't chopped them up really small. I've got some big bits, some small bits, because this is what I love about this cereal, all the different textures. So I'm going to add this to the oats now. I'm going to do it in 2 bowls because I haven't got one big enough. Okay, I'm just going to add a pinch of salt. Okay, and then I'm going to pour the honey and oil mixture. Okay, so when that's melted down, it's just a lot easier to stir it in, the honey. Okay, I'm going to add about 80 grams of mixed seeds. So I've got some pumpkin seeds and some sunflower seeds. Just a little handful of each. Okay, and then we just put that onto a tray with some grease-proof paper. Spread it out. Okay, so that's been in there 8 minutes, so I'm just going to give it a stir and put it back in. Okay, so that's cooking away. I'm going to get my dry fruits ready. Now you can experiment as much as you want with this. I'll just run through what I'm putting through. So I've got some Italian mixed peel. It's like a candied orange peel, goes really nice. Got some banana crisps, which I absolutely love. I've just sort of broken them up into little pieces. I've got some dry mango, which I've chopped up. Some raisins, some dried cranberries, and these things, which I absolutely love, goji berries. Now, there's really good health benefits linked with these. Prevents liver damage, protects against cancer, you know, even helps with depression, anxiety, and sleep. So I absolutely love them, so I'm going to use quite a lot of them. But like I say, you can mix and match whatever you got. I'm going to give it one more stir and put it back in. But before I do that, I'm going to put some flaked almonds on there. Okay, I didn't want to put them on at the start because they would have burnt by now. So I'm going to mix that in, put it back in for another 10 minutes. Okay, just keep turning it. What I do, if there's any bits around the edges that look done, I'll just take them out rather than stirring them back in and risk burning it. It's all nice and cold now. It's just time to mix all the dry fruit with the granola. I'm going to put it back into the 2 bowls, mix it all thoroughly, and then transfer it into my container. Okay guys, look at that. I've got about 1.5 kilos here. Just look at it. Okay, and this is one from Tesco's. This is about 3 or 4 pound. Okay, and I guarantee these 2, which is about 3 times the amount of that, cost less than what that costs. And look at that. That's the Tesco one, and that's a good make as well, dear one. And that's my one. There we go, guys. What better way to start your morning?